In this simulation, we are going to investigate what happens to an ice cube in the sun. In other words, we are going to study melting, which is the change from solid state to liquid state. You can see in the circle the arrangement of the water molecules in the ice cube. The molecules are close to each other, and that is one characteristic of the solids. Notice the arrangement of these molecules as the ice cube melts and turns into liquid water. Notice how the molecules are moving very fast and they are moving further from each other as ice turns to liquid. This process is called melting. So in solids, the molecules are very close to each other. Upon heating, they turn to liquid with particles moving further away from each other. Upon cooling, for example, cooling of water to become solid ice, the particles move back closer to each other. Remember that there are no new particles. The same particles make up solid ice and liquid water. Those are H2O molecules.